Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today, and I have an awesome thigh buster workout. That's right. We're going to work on those legs with a nice tone, tighten, helps with cellulite. It's awesome. So let's get into it. All right, we're gonna be doing 2 sets. The first one is like a demonstration. There's a little bit more talking, going through the movements. The second set, we just go straight through the workout. Boom, 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 less talking, more doing, all right? So let's start with our first exercise. We have narrow squats. Now, regular squats are with our feet hip width apart, but our narrow squats are with our feet together, maybe an inch or 2 in between, all right? I'm gonna turn to the side so that you can see a little bit better. And you can have your hands on your hips or in front of you. And we're going down, bending our knees. And in this position, we're remembering not to arch. All right, we wanna keep a nice straight back. So we're pulling in our stomach, we're tucking our tailbone. All right, nice controlled movement, and then coming back up. We're going down and up. All right, we're gonna be doing that for 30 seconds. Let's go. Nice strong core, our chest is up, proud, elegant neck. Our shoulders are pushed away from our ears, no scrunched shoulders, push them down, all right? And breathing in our nose, out our mouth, very good. Remember, hands on your hips or in front of you. Breathing, awesome. Almost there, very good. Really focusing on squeezing your legs, squeezing your bum. When you come up and go down, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Those were our narrow squats. Now we have reverse lunges. So we are going to be stepping backwards. So our feet are narrow like before with a few inches in between, and you're just going to step back and into a lunge. Now here it's very important to remember your placement of feet and angles with your legs. So here it's a 90-degree angle, all right? We're not forward past our toes and we're not back behind our heel. So our knee is right on top of our ankle for the first one, and our hip is right on top of our knee for that back leg, okay? So remembering those 90-degree angles is super important for your joints and to prevent injury, all right? Better safe than sorry. So reverse lunges, we're gonna be doing 15 seconds on one side and then 15 seconds on the other, right? Getting in position, taking a deep breath, and 15 seconds, let's go. Very good. Again, you can have your hands in front of you or on your hips. That's totally up to you, whatever makes you feel more comfortable or helps you balance more. All right, 3, 2, 1, and other side. Breathing, proud chest, elegant neck, strong arms, whether they're in front of you or on the sides. We're moving with intention. 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Shake it out and get ready for front leg lift. So here, I recommend having your hands on your hips for this one for balance, and we're just simply lifting our leg forward, up, as far forward as you can, as far up as you can, but remembering to keep your hips squared. So you don't want your hip to kind of go up as your leg goes up. You want to keep your hip down and just lift up your leg. Once you start feeling it go like that, you want to maybe stop, okay? And over time, you'll get more flexible and stronger that you can just lift your leg without kind of, adjusting your hip. So we're gonna be doing 15 seconds one side and then 15 seconds the other, okay? I'm gonna move to the side so you can see a little bit. And 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Very good. Remembering our hips, keeping them nice and squared. And breathing. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Also, remembering your core strong core, tucked in tummy. We don't want our, stomach just relaxing, hanging out. No, nice strong core, good posture. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, and get ready for some curtsy lunges. For curtsy lunges, I like to have my arms out to the side. You can also have them on your hips, but if you want to work out your arms a little bit, go for it. And what we're going to be doing is bringing our foot back and around. All right, so you see my other foot here on the side, and then bending. So like a little curtsy, but fitness edition, all right? Then coming back to standing position and other side. All right, 30 seconds, deep breath, and let's go. Very good, chest up. And if you can't go all the way down, go ahead and just do a little half squat, a little half curtsy lunge, all right? You don't have to go all the way down if that you feel unbalanced or it hurts your knees. Just step in a little bend in the knees, all right? It'll still work out your muscles. It'll still benefit your body. All right, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And last but not least of set number 1, because then we have number 2, just going through the workout. We are doing a sumo squat hold, all right? So we have a wide position. Our toes are faced outwards, and we're going to bend at the knees, our knees going to the side, all right? And here's our sumo position, and we're gonna just hold right here. Hold here. If 30 seconds is too much for you, go ahead and split it up a little. Do 5 or 10 seconds and then come up, take a few beats, and then go back down. All right, over time, you'll get used to it, you'll get stronger, and you'll be able to hold it longer. All right, so 30 seconds, deep breath, getting ready. We got this, you got this, let's go. And hold, very good. Squeezing that bottom, squeezing those legs. Remembering our posture here, okay, straight back. Feeling the burn already. Got this, halfway there. 10 more seconds. Breathing, very good. Remember, if you need to come up, maybe wiggle it out a little bit and then come back down. You can do that. All right, 3, 2, 1, up. Oh, very good. Shake it out, and there, you did it. That was set number 1. You killed it. We're gonna do set number 2. So go ahead, take a second, grab a sip of water, and get ready to crush this other set. First, take a look, almost forgot, take a look at the timestamp. Remember where you are right now, because if you wanna come back to this video and you don't wanna do the demonstration anymore, you feel like you know what you're doing, then come right back here and you can go straight through the workout. Much better. Alrighty, set number 2, starting with narrow squats. Get in position, 30 seconds, and let's go. Smiling, we're having fun, we're moving our bodies, we're grateful for this day. Almost there, halfway through. Could you try again? Siri always likes to intervene, but not today. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Very good, shake it out, shake it out. Next, we have our reverse lunges, 15 seconds on each side, in position, and ready, let's go. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. It's really easy to hold our breath sometimes when we're focused on something, but it's super important to deliver oxygen to your muscles. Last one. And, oh, I was just doing alternating, so if you were just doing one side, go ahead and switch, but if you're alternating like me, just keep going. All right, we got 10 more seconds. My bad. We all mess up. I was so focused on talking to you guys that I was just going. I was just doing my thing, but we're back on track in 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Funny moment. Okay. Now we have our front leg lifts, all right? In position, 15 seconds one side, and let's go. Very good. Don't forget to breathe. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. Five more seconds. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Curtsy lunges are next. In position. Ooh, there's a bug on me. Ah, no, thank you. Alrighty. No matter. We got this. 30 seconds. Alternating curtsy lunges. Let's go. Very good. You guys are doing great. Push through. We're almost done. We have one more exercise and then we're done. Oh my God, another bug on me. Okay. Woo! I'm in Texas right now, by the way. I live in Florida, but there, everything's larger in Texas, right? The bugs are included in that. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. No bugs, please. Woo! All right, last one. Curtsy hold, 30 seconds. Break it up if you need to. You got this, come on. Position, wide position, toes pointed out. And let's go. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. You can pulse if you want to. Might make it a little harder, might make it a little easier, depends on you. Alrighty, halfway there. Oh, almost more. I mean, less than that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up slowly and you are done. Wow, that was a fun, interesting set. So many factors at play, but hey, we got it done. It was awesome, it was fun. If you're ready for another set, go ahead and rewind and get it done. If not, check out our channel. Don't forget to ring that bell so you know when we post and you don't miss out. And I'll see you on the next one.